Hello traders, cryptocurrency market analytics. We're back Friday morning today, guys. We're looking at the Bitcoin and we are very pleased with what we see. I mean, we wanted to touch base with the Bitcoin because we feel yesterday was an important day, guys. I want to show you what I mean here. Let me close up as much as I can. All right. So as you can see, right? I mean, if you take a look at the last week or so, price had been so boring, right? It's been trading sideways, but it did that in a horrible fashion, right? So tight, almost trading, on the spot, right? But I would like to suggest actually that this boring behavior that we've seen over the last 7 days or so, 8 days, is actually very important and very foretelling, all right? And it's been pretty much it's been pretty much supporting our conviction and giving us more confidence, confidence to hold our bearish position. As you know, we have a short position here, right? Now, this is what I was talking about. Let me dial back a little bit, right? So everything started here to be, everything started to become really interesting was 4 days ago when price was on the upside, right? It had like a couple of days, it kind of pushed upwards and it met a very fierce resistance coming from not one, but two different technical elements. We're talking about the top resistance of that purple setup, 84.71, and the 200 daily moving average, right? Both pushed against price and did a wonderful job. At first, price was kind of trapped between 82.07 from below. You can see the reaction we've had on both days, right? But yesterday, guys, like I said, yesterday was probably an important day, and today is even more, guys, because we have a reconfirmation. All right, first yesterday, right? Yesterday was basically pushing through 82.07, so we've had a successful breakdown. And today, guys, price actually started on the upside. Apparently it wanted to challenge that 82.07 from below, but as you can see, guys, the level is strong enough to hold, and price basically caved in, and is now on the downside. Seems to be like it's going to complete the move towards the lower section, which means 79.12, right? 79.12, guys. We're gonna use this level, as I've mentioned last time we were here. We're gonna use that level to take profit. We're probably going to get out from 50% of that position, because at that point, there's a good chance that price will actually continue to trade sideways for a while, right? So we would like to try and get right back into that full position when it comes up again. But eventually, guys, we think price will continue downwards, right? According to the big picture, according to the general conviction we have on the market, right? We think price is heading towards 70.88. 70.88, guys. But in order to reach that level, and that's probably, by the way, that's our final destination, right? That's our primary target. So in order to reach that level, we need price to first reach 79.12, obviously, but then it has to overcome the bottom support at 76.48. That's probably the last obstacle till our primary target here at 70.88. Another thing I want to mention here before I'm gonna finish it up, we're talking about stop loss level here, but it's been adjusted, not by much, but it was adjusted to 91.35. Basically, I'm closing in with the stop loss level. Now that we've broken below 82.07, then we can mention 82.07 here as a protection level, right? A new one. But we also use protection from the 84.71 and 87.23. So we got a lot of protection between us and, stop loss level and price action, right? Okay, guys, fascinating situation right now on the Bitcoin. That's how we feel. We'll have to come back and follow up as we usually do. That's about that for this one. We'll see you next. Bye-bye.